Here I have Huawei MatePad Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the normal photo mode and just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me try it out. So as you can see right now I'm taking a burst shot. I took like 16 photos, and here we can tap in gallery and review all these burst shots. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.